Are you seriously? Are you drooling over this? I haven't even said a word. All I did was shake it. Alright. No, that's enough. No more. You're good. That's what I'm hearing coming from your butt. No, you're good. Oh my goodness. All I hear are these little squeaks. You nut. There's your elapsed time right there. Hour and a half. It's not too bad. So this is the configuration for the Redcat with the 4 evenly placed holes, and then this is for the SCX10 with the offset 2. I've already got the 3D printed servo plate. I did print it in a clear PLA. You can see the little Redcat symbol back there. What I ended up doing is I ended up loosening these 4 screws that are on the bottom of the servo, which allows the top cap to release, and I took the top cap off, placed the servo in and through, and then bolted it up from underneath, just like that. So now what we're going to work on is I remove the old motor plate. Now we've got the hot racing motor plate, Redcat, 4 position, evenly placed like a rectangle, and then the SCX10, which has 2 offset holes that are tighter in, which is what my new transmission has as a pattern. So then obviously you can see that that fits absolutely perfect right there. It came with 4 screws, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 2 stainless on this outside edge for no reason other than just I'm gonna. That way I'm kind of, I guess, saving fasteners. These, I'm assuming, are steel. Yep. Give it a tweak. That looks nice. Nice and flush. It's a thing of beauty right there. So now we're going to go ahead and install and locate our transmission, because I've been kind of like messing with mine. My original body that I had steered away from on the Redcat was this right here. But anyways, now we just got to locate the new motor plate, put it in position, readjust my 4 lengths for the front and the back, and then yeah, fine tune it, take it for a cruise. Oh, up front here, I don't know if you can see there's a difference here. I swapped out for an old spring that I had, stole it off of my custom car that I had designed and made years ago. I took the 2 front springs off. Can't remember what spring rates or anything like that are. And it's really not important. They were just way more flexible than the stock Redcat, just beast springs that don't move. And I thought the rears may have been the same, but because everything on that vehicle was weighted towards the back, engine, transmission, center mount battery, everything was shifted to the back on that vehicle, and that's the way it worked because, you know, it was just a two-wheel drive vehicle. The rear springs were too tight to go ahead and swap over, so I might think about getting a spring pack or maybe get a set of new shocks, which will come with, you know, like 6 or 8 springs or something like that, so we'll see. Oh yeah, here was my test. So what I actually did was I printed up one just for test fitting, which had a 10% infill, which, you know, obviously isn't going to be, you know, as strong, but, and the reason why it's not strong is obviously because around these sections right here, the infill is just not enough. But I might not even end up using any mounts, and I ended up stopping it short, the print, just because I knew this was going to work out, and I ended up printing that one slightly different. So, but anyways, you can see how it's just, you know, has nothing for infill in there. See there? The red on that box right there kind of gives a clue to what's inside. And what's inside is going to be going right there.